हेलो गाइस। आज हम फिजिक्स का चैप्टर 1 के दो टॉपिक डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं और वो टॉपिक है प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लाइट एंड प्रोपेगेशन ऑफ लाइट। सो हम सबसे पहले डिस्कस करेंगे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लाइट। सो प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लाइट के अंदर लाइट की चार प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं। फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी होती है दैट लाइट इट इज अ नॉन मैकेनिकल वेव। इट इज अ नॉन मैकेनिकल वेव, that means it does not require any medium. Non-mechanical wave means that it does not require any medium and it can travel through anything. Like sound is a mechanical wave. It requires medium and it cannot travel in a vacuum. Sound that is why in space radios are used to contact with each other. But light is a non-mechanical wave that is so light can travel anywhere. From the sun we get light in 8 minutes 20 seconds to the earth. This is a very fast speed because the distance between the sun and the earth is very large. So we can say that it has a very high speed, and its speed in exact value is 299,792,458 meter per second. And approximately if we are doing some calculations, we can use this value if we are doing some calculations. So light has a long range of wavelength, very long range of wavelength, and but the visible light has a very small range. It is from 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer, or we can say in angstrom 4,000 angstrom to 7,000 angstrom. This is the range. This is the range of wavelength of light in angstrom, and this is in nanometers. So you can see only 300 nanometers and 4,000 and 3,000 angstrom is the range. And if we want to remember which color is of 400 nanometer or 4,000 angstrom, or which color is of 700 nanometer and 7,000 angstrom, we can just do this. Let's draw a line of this range. This is 400 nanometer, and suppose this is 700 nanometer. We will write here that white color is made up of seven colors. We know that. So the colors are Vibgyor. So this is V, I, B, violet, indigo, blue. Sorry, green. Blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So to remember this, that which colors of which wavelength, we can do this. Like violet comes on 400 nanometers. So we can say that the wavelength of violet is 400 nanometers, and the wavelength of red will be 700 nanometers. And beyond this 700 nanometers, there are infrared rays, or we can say IR. I'm writing it in short, IR rays. And and below this and before this 400 nanometer, there are UV rays. These rays, UV rays and IR rays, cannot be seen by our eyes, and the visible range is just between these. We see only these colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. And the other colors like magenta are made up of the combination of any of these colors. Like the next point is that light is a transverse and electromagnetic wave. And now we will come on the propagation of light. So light travels in a straight line. Light travels along a straight line, which means it will travel only like this path. Only a straight path. Only a straight path. Its paths can be changed. Um, that means its paths can also be changed only when something comes in its path, or there is a change in medium. That means that if something comes in its path like a pole, mirror, suppose it's a mirror, the light is coming from here and it will get reflected back in its own paths, or it will reflect on an angle. If the light is coming like this, it will reflect this way, and if the light is coming perpendicular to the object, it will retrace its path. This we will study in detail in the reflection of light topic. So this kind of propagation is also called the rectilinear propagation of light. The rectilinear propagation of light, and we are go- and there are two kinds of light. This is just an imagination. This is just an idealization. A ray of light is just an idealization. It does not exist in real. Even the narrow beam of light which comes out of a laser, it is also a bundle of several rays. It is also a beam of light, and a beam of light is just a bundle of these kind of rays. This PQ is a ray, and it is the only single ray. That means that the photons in it are in single line, not in a square or rectangular dimension. This means that it is single one dimensional line, and this is a beam of light. It contains several rays. Note, here is a note which you need to remember, that a ray of light is just an idealization. In reality, we have a narrow beam of light made up of several rays. I told you. So this was a very short topic. I think you had understood it, and to get more videos like this, and to know about the rest of the topics, learn these topics like reflection of light, we have left many things: reflection, refraction through a glass slab, and etc. To learn about these and get newest videos, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get the latest video on time, and please do share a word about this video, and please like this video. Thank you.